Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 2002 Porsche 911 Carrera 2 Coupe. This example has 91,000 miles. It has a clean title, clean CarFax. It's a beautiful black over graphite gray leather interior. It was optioned with the supple leather and the rear badge delete. It has the Tiptonic S automatic transmission that shifts nicely through all gears. The interior is in lovely shape. The dash is nice and all intact. The steering wheel's nice. Seats, door cards, Alcantara headliner. The rear seats. It has hot heat, cold AC, factory stereo, the little CD holders, one-touch up and down windows. All of the gauges work properly. Today it shows 91,325 miles. It really is in lovely shape inside and out, and has obviously been taken excellent care of. You can really feel just how good it is. So there you have it, our 2002 Porsche 911 Carrera 2 Coupe.